When we purchase a remarkable amount of goods from a retail shop or supermarket, we are offered by a royalty card or membership card. It offers its premium member a percentage of discount. But what is their benefit? Are we not going to be trapped for the lucrative offer? What is the security of our data? What is the role of artificial intelligence here? In this video, we will try to find out its royalty card really useful or not, the business policy of marketers and the security of our data. A membership or loyalty program is a marketing strategy designed to encourage customers to continue to shop or use the service of business associated with the program. In this program, most of the retailer and marketer offers various features, reward scheme, including banking, entertainment, hospitality, retailing and restaurant industry. They are taking your data in a written form and storing it in their database. Sometimes we call it reward cards, point cards, advantage cards, club card and some other name. It may be plastic or paper cards, visually like a credit card that offers the customers to participate their shopping program. The card may have barcode or mag stripe to more easily allow for scanning, although some are chip card or proximity cards. When you present the card to the salesman, then they will offer you a discount on your current purchase or allot you some point for further purchase. The application form which they have taken entails the agreement by the store concerning customer privacy, typically non-disclosure and non-aggregate data about customers. The store uses aggregate data internally as a part of its marketing research. Now many retail organizations using mobile application as a means of royalty or membership card. That means there are less chance to lose the card and maximum scope to do their business. Besides the supermarkets, all of the casino have the membership cards at different name for allowing its user to get credit. When we visit any retail shop, some of the interesting questions are: can we interest you in our store card? Would you like to sign up for our royalty program today? Do you shop here often? Have you heard about our points program for royal customers? Those are all lines that you hear on a regular basis if you shop in a department store, grocery store or even smaller retail shops. But all of those programs worth it? Do you really want a wallet full of cards? Is it really helpful for us? The reality is not all royalty rewards program actually add value. Some programs only exist to draw you in and tempt you away from competitors that could actually offer you a better deal. The worst, it turns out that just about any supermarket chain will offer you nothing but bad deals. There are many culprits who offer 10 to 20% maximum higher price than others competitors, then offer you a membership and royalty cards. Actually, it's a eyewash and nothing but a business policy. The role of artificial intelligence on your data. According to Microsoft, by 2025, as many as 90% of all customer interactions will be through the channel supported by artificial intelligence technology. Today, many enterprises are investing in sophisticated technology to augment their customer experience effort. The marketer use artificial intelligence for data unification, real-time insight delivery, and business context. Instant use of data, chatbots, and virtual assistant, personalized content, making prediction, recommendation engine are the best example of artificial intelligence. The world is playing with big data, and the super shop stores is not out of it. They apply artificial intelligence for the sentiment analysis of customers, text analysis, customer service analytics, and customer review analytics. The trap of artificial intelligence for membership card or royalty card. We all concerned with data security on social media, but have you ever think about your data on retail store? The store is taking your permanent and present address, email, and cell phone numbers. Though there is an agreement of using your data, but have you ever read it? When you perform any transaction, the game of artificial intelligence starts from here. Your purchase history is stored on the database. It is tagged with your file on database. Based on your purchasing frequency, history, taste, choice, AI perform predictive analysis and generate recommendations. Now, this is the time of botheration of the department stores, like sending emails, bothering SMS, and force to manipulate buying decision. Sometimes they sell the data to any third party business and they will do the same botheration. This data can be a threat in terms of cyber security. You never know for which wrong step you are going to be the next victim.